And matches in the Jamaica Women's Premier League will kick off earlier than usual on Saturday as organisers move to accommodate fans heading to the Reggae Girls World Cup qualifier against Guyana at the National Stadium. Most of the day's fixtures will kick off at 1:30 p.m, allowing players, officials and supporters enough time to make their way to the office for the 7 p.m. kick-off against the Guyanese. However, only 5 matches will be played in round 7 after the clash between Real Mona and Proven Girls was rescheduled due to several of their players being committed to the Issa Schoolgirls final. Defending champions Fraser's Whip will look to extend their perfect run to 7 when they entertain Federal United at Excelsior High. In other matches, Lost for Perfectos take on Mile Gully in a Manchester derby at Brooks Park, while Springers United face Real Mobay in a St. James showdown at Irwin High. Over in Zone A, unbeaten Arnett Gardens will host UWI Women at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex, while Wi-Fi United entertain fellow title contenders Cavalier at Carter Park.